Hi, so this is a bit of demonstration to avoid multiple dispatching on the same terminal. So let me start doing it with creating an action against the action code 11 for which I have made the test settings. So here I'm going to have generated an incident against the action code 11 and the status code is 03380Z. The terminal is 12047. So let's first analyze the command. So object state is false here, and this is a flag set by me in the dispatch workflow, and I'm sharing it as a comment. So if the object state is false, the dispatch should be made. So similarly, if this object state is true, dispatch won't be made for this terminal if any other ticket is generated and this incident is not closed. So let's see if the dispatch for this terminal is made or not. So let's just wait for the wait time to be over. The wait time is still in progress. So as you can see, the dispatch to MS test, which is contact number 1, which is actually the branch contact for this particular terminal, is made. So the next thing we have to test is we have to actually create another since this incident is already open, so we have to create another incident for this particular terminal. Let me just grab the action code, the status code. So this is status for against action code 54, against which I have already done some settings to avoid the multiple dispatching. Just grabbing a status code. So maybe it is for 11 and we need for 54. So just trying to see if it works for different status code, action code or not. So we have generated an action code for 54. If you can here in the comments, since the obj is not true, so obj is true means that the incident for this particular terminal is already in open stage, and we can see that there is no end time for action code number 11 because it is already in the open stage. So since it is in the open stage, so action code 54 won't dispatch anything to it. Okay, so if I refresh this page, since the wait time for this particular is this so for 5 seconds, so I think we have crossed 5 seconds. Just refreshing the page just for further surety. So let's see whether it's dispatched or not. It shouldn't be dispatched in case of a successful test. So obj is true and dispatch not yet made. So if you go back and close the incident against action code 11 here, I close it here. So this is closed now. So if I update the page, if I refresh the page, so that shows us that obj is now false in the post-close event, which if you see the previous ticket against the action code 54, which was true. Okay, so the dispatch wasn't made, so it is checking actually after every 1 minute that if the obj is true or not. So now if the as obj, we can see in the previous command that the obj is now false, which was previously here, which was true here. So let's just wait for another minute because it is checking after every minute. Let's just wait for another minute and see if it proceeds with the dispatch or not. The successful scenario will be this time will be that now, since the action code 11 is not ended, so action code 15 should be dispatched. So obj is now false. Let's see, after it should be dispatching after the wait time is over. So let's just wait for the wait time to go over. This was action code 54. So you can see obj was false and dispatch is now made to MS test, which is obviously the branch contact for this particular time. Thank you.